Hi, and welcome! In this video, we're diving into the fastest swimming style, freestyle. Since this video is part of a larger swim teaching system, we will look at two key parts. First, we will cover an introductory version of freestyle, perfect for beginners. Then, we will explore some advanced technique details, seen at higher performance levels. Let's start with the beginner version. There are three key things to focus on. First, a horizontal body position is essential for reducing drag. Many children and adults struggle with their legs sinking. This often happens when the head is tilted too high, which pushes the legs downward. Breathing can also be a factor. Holding too much air in the lungs makes the upper body float higher, so it helps to fully exhale underwater. Another common issue is a lack of core tension, which makes it harder to maintain a balanced body position. Second, the flutter kick should come mainly from the hips and thighs, with only a slight bend in the knees. Beginners should keep the arm stroke simple. Just keep the arms moving and avoid long pauses at the front. The third and often most challenging skill for learners is side breathing. A three-stroke breathing pattern helps swimmers learn to breathe on both sides. The breath starts as the arm enters the water and the shoulder rotates. By the time the arm has completed its movement, the face should already be back in the water. One of the biggest mistakes is not fully exhaling underwater, which leaves swimmers with a stale air and makes them feel out of breath after just a short distance. For advanced freestyle, most refinements focus on the arm pull. As soon as the hand enters the water, the elbow bends, so the swimmer can immediately push water backward rather than downward. The movement consists of a pull phase, where the hand pulls water from in front of the shoulder, and a push phase, where the arm extends behind the body. Above water, the elbow stays around shoulder height, and the hand enters the water in line with the shoulders. Advanced swimmers also breathe just above the surface, rotating the head as little as possible, so the lower eye often stays in the water. The less the head lifts or twists, the less drag is created, making swimming more efficient. This video covers just the basics. On our website, swimy.org, we have put together a 10-week plan for teaching children freestyle in a structured way. If you're looking for more details, including common mistakes and additional training drills, check out our website. The link is in the video description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.